Hello. Good morning, everyone. We are Backbase. We are a software company that provides a new user experience and delivers Bank 2.0 software. And this is where we would like to show you the area where we will be able to provide and help banks to deliver the new user experience, and at the same time, unified look and feel without replacing your current existing infrastructure. Without further ado, I would like to hand on to Delmer to show you the Backbase portal. Delmer.
Great, thank you very much, Edwin. So what you're looking at the screen is Backbase Bank 2.0 portal. And as Edwin explained, Backbase Bank 2.0 portal is a new user experience layer on top of your existing systems and processes. And with Backbase Bank 2.0 portal, we help banks to upgrade their existing online banking environment to be ready for the next era of engagement banking. So what you're looking at right now is the end user perspective. And as you can see, I'm already logged in as the end user, as a customer of this bank. And of course, I have direct access to navigation, I see promotions, calculation and simulation tools, and of course, default content. However, since we link to your core banking system, I have direct access to my accounts, I can check my transaction activities, and even start preparing a new payment. Out of the box, Backbase also comes with more interactive engagement banking apps, like a social address book, a message and notification center, and my money tools. Directly PFM integration to see what my money is doing, cash flow analysis, there is a billing calendar, and even I can set saving goals. We believe that the future of banking is all about bringing control and a personalized environment to your end users. And with the Backbase Bank 2.0 portal, we bring control to your end users. For example, as a logged-in customer, I can click the edit button here. I can select what different functionalities I want to have in which order, and I can even enable and disable the different apps. And another very important thing I want to highlight in this end user perspective is the fact that we seamlessly blend together the open marketing website with your promotions with your closed transactional environment. So now as an end user, when browsing my personal checking account, at the same time, I see the promotion for a new car loan. I can play around with the calculation and simulation tool to find the loan that's appropriate to me. And when hitting the apply button, you will notice that the form is already pre-filled. Remember, we're not replacing your existing systems. No, we run on top of them. And therefore, we can integrate with the existing data available, build this in a unified look and feel, and offer things like preview to smoothly your sales and enrollment processes, drastically increasing, of course, your cross and upsell. But this is all about the end user. How about the bank itself? When talking to a lot of banks in America, in Europe, and also here in Asia, we noticed that the fact that changing the online banking environment and optimizing the online banking environment still needs IT support. We believe online and mobile channels are customer interaction channels. And if you talk about customer interaction, the end user should not be in control, IT should not be in control, but your digital and marketing team should be in control. So we bring control to the digital and marketing team of your bank, of this online environment, by providing them with Backbase Portal Manager. Let me show you. Backbase Portal Manager is an easy-to-use graphical interface built for the business team in your bank. And with Backbase Portal Manager, we make optimizing the online environment you just saw as easy as editing a PowerPoint slide. Here you see exactly the same end-user portal, but now in edit mode. I can just click, start typing, and start optimizing this page. It's not only about content, it's not only about images. If we browse at the bottom here to our App Center, I can even add completely new functionality to the page. It's your own banking applications, it's the Backbase banking applications, and even third-party applications, from some of them from different vendors that are presenting here today at Finovate. Another very important thing I want to highlight in my demo is the fact that we at Backbase truly believe that your online and mobile banking environment should be as personal and relevant as possible. That's why over the years we invested heavily in our targeting engine, and I can show you that right now. What you see here is a widget with 5 different images tailored toward different customer segments, for example, students or young professionals. This example is a widget with images, but of course you can do this on page level and even on portal level. When I click Edit here, it brings us our targeting engine. Here I can create completely new customer segments based on session conditions, what browser is being used, what keywords are being used to find the website. I can combine it with social data, direct Facebook and Twitter integration, so I can determine the number of friends if you're a friend of the brand, and even a social ranking. Of course, we link with targeting directly to your existing CRM system, and we're collecting quite a lot of behavioral data. Which page has been seen, what banners has been seen, and if somebody visits, for example, your mortgage page 5 times in a row, we can use that information to start delivering a true, personal, and unique online environment. Now, of course, we made some great changes. You want to look to how this will work on different devices. Because if you're talking about your online web environment, you don't want to run it only on the regular computers. No, you want to have it as tablets and as mobile phones as well. And if you select, for example, the iPad from the preview window and toggle between landscape and portrait mode, you will notice that with the responsive design, the page is shaping on the size of the device, so we deliver truly write once, run everywhere solution. But another thing, if you talk about preview, it's very important that you can now preview and do impersonalization based on the different customer segments. If you're working with quite advanced contextual targeting, as in the Backbase portal, now you can preview with different employees, students, media relations, and even young professionals, and you can create those segments and preview the portal in real time. Now, of course, we made some great changes to the portal, and if you're the digital executive, you want to have those changes live as soon as possible. You want to have those changes live immediately. You don't want to wait for a lengthy IT deployment cycle. No problem. I can just select the pages I want to publish, and upon hitting the publication button, a publication workflow will start. Of course, it's a workflow, so there's quality assurance in place. If you're talking about your online environment, you don't want to make any mistakes, but still, you can go live immediately. Now, before I wrap up my demo, we're still talking about the online web, and if you're talking about online devices, we're still talking about the browsers. How about native apps? No problem. Backbase comes out of the box with native apps for the Android, BlackBerry, Windows, and Apple devices, as you can see here. And the native app provides exactly the same functionality I just saw in the end-user portal, and also is completely manageable by the portal manager. Edwin, back to you.
Yes. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we are here for. We are serious. We are present in Singapore, and we would like to allow you to help us, to help you to achieve, all right? Please visit us at our booth if you like what Backbase can do for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.